Let's peek behind the curtain of MoonPay and discover who's steering this platform to its remarkable $3.4 billion valuation. Welcome back! It's Eva for MemeFi, exploring MoonPay's fundamentals and security features in our previous episodes. Today, in our third video, we're diving into the company's structure and inner workings. Let's start with the minds behind MoonPay. The platform is privately owned by two visionary co-founders, Ivan Soto-Wright, who leads as CEO, and Victor Faramond, the chief engineer. A major milestone came in November 2021 when investment powerhouses QREW and Tiger Global backed the company, pushing its valuation to $3.4 billion. Here's something crucial to understand. MoonPay isn't your typical cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. Instead, think of it as a fintech bridge connecting traditional finance with the crypto world. The MoonPay story began with a simple mission, making it easy to convert traditional money into cryptocurrency. Since then, it's evolved dramatically, introducing features like buying NFTs with regular currency and creating a no-code platform where creators and brands can launch their own NFT ventures. At its heart, MoonPay focuses on delivering swift, non-custodial transactions. The platform seamlessly connects conventional payment methods with crypto exchanges. For developers, it offers flexible integration options. They can either embed the MoonPay widget directly into their apps or create custom solutions using the platform's API. The numbers speak for themselves. MoonPay now operates in 160 countries, serving more than 5 million users worldwide. The platform collaborates with numerous crypto wallets, decentralized apps, and exchange partners. Their revenue streams primarily flow from transaction processing fees and premium services for high-value clients. Here's a thought-provoking question. How important do you think it is to know the team behind a crypto project before trusting it with your investments? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. Coming up next, we'll walk you through MoonPay's verification process and outline exactly what documents you'll need to get started. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch part 4. See you in our next episode.